Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my fluid art channel here in Studio 205. Today's a pretty fun day. It's just a mini collab with myself and two other artists. We have Louise Art and Lori Weisner from Lore Art, both phenomenal artists and just good human beings. We decided to get together and challenge each other, so we're going to do the 3 do's and don'ts. So Lori gave me colors and directions. I gave it to Louise, and Louise gave it to Lori. So we're just going to go back to back. So right after me, please hop on over to Louise's channel next. Playlist will be in the description section, or join us for the live chat. And my challenge is bigger than a 14 by 14 canvas, so I can't do anything little. I'm not allowed to use a black cell activator. I have to use pink and orange. And what else? I'm not allowed to use my spinner. So I was like, I can't spin, oh no. So I guess I'll be doing a deconstructed balloon. Let me get you down. Hey guys. Let's see. This is bigger than a 14 by 14, 16 by 20. Obviously don't have my spinner, and I have my pink and my orange, and I'm just going to go. So the first color I have, I'm trying to decide if I want 1 or 2. It's been a long time since I've done 2 and did a deconstructed bloom, so let's go for it. So this is Cobalt Blue Hue by Golden. We'll do some of that. And I think I'll do my cooler tones first. And then this is Utrecht Fluid Acrylics in Aqua Marine. So there's my cooler colors. And then for pink, I have just Quinacridone Magenta from Golden. And you guys don't know this yet, but me and Q-Neg broke up. We got into a big fight and we broke up. That's in the next video. So just a little preview. But I had a little cup of it left. So this is Q-Neg mixed with this little piggy in, let me grab the jar. This is mango. So it's obviously more on the mango side, just killing off the Q-Neg. So we're going to put, that's a really pretty shade of orange too. So there's my pink and orange. And then, is that it for my colors? Oh, I have some gold, because, you know, gold goes in everything with me pretty much. Put that on top. And then, I know my aquamarine is opaque, so I think the rest of the colors are all transparent. We'll put that there. And yeah, we'll blow out and then do the second puddle. So there's my, oh, that's what it is. I'm not allowed to use black. This is not black though. This is Payne's Gray. That's how I got around it. I kind of cheated. So there's Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. And let's blow this first one out. Did you see how bad my aim was? I recovered kind of nicely, but I was giggling about that because I'm used to, you know, being able to use my spinner to turn and not have to be all wonky with my hair dryer. That's Lori giving me a challenge. This is super pretty. This is where I'm going to put my second bloom. So put it inside so we don't have that white line separating. things. So let me see, the blue, the aqua, then what did I do? The pink, the magenta, the orange, the gold, a little more aquamarine, all right, blowout number 2. It's so funny. I like the black in here, but I don't like it there. Let me tilt. I think I'm going to come toward me and then up to this corner first. See if everything's sliding around yet in unison. Kind of, sort of. Yeah, this one part does not want to go at all. Whoops. Hold on. What's your deal? Why aren't you moving up here? Oh, God doesn't want to go. I'm going to force it because I'm going to get mad at it. And just come off this other end. And close to the edge. I'm just going to go for it. Whoa, this is going to be big and bold and colorful, I feel. Can you guys see what I'm doing, hopefully? Take off the white cells and some of the black. Stop right at the edge. And then swing all the way the other way. Get rid of those stretch marks. All right, I have coverage. So let me stop and stare at the composition now. There are parts of it I like. Everything I feel needs to like go back up that way. This part's beautiful. And I like the quirky little thing here. I hate this, you know I do. Just staring. I don't know what this thing is here. I'm not sure I really like that. Let me go up this way a bit. I'm going to take off my little zigzaggy road Yeah, I'm going to take paint off this way. Goodbye to the zigzag thingy. Get the one part to touch. And then come back over. I don't feel like this one's going to look like anything at all. But we could just make it pretty. It'll just be decorative. Now I'm sliding all the way across the other way. One, to get rid of my bikini corner. I'm going up there. Oops, what was that? Cup. 1, 2, 3, gone. Oh, let me stop and stare at this a second. I'm going to tilt, but hold it this way. So sideways, but with this end upward, so that I can keep that bottom. Oh, I'm close to that edge. I don't know if you guys, hopefully you can see what the hell I'm doing. Oh, I'm close. Are you going to go for it, Karen? We'll leave some of it. Some of it came off. Let's go back the other way. I kept my top. let me stop and stare. What's going on with my cups? Oh, it goes at the other end. Okay, you go there. Well, I have the weight of the paint here. So up like this. 1, 2, 3. It's going off. It's going off. Go, 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 go. Okay, that's enough. Run down. Go back the other way. All right. Let me stare now. Are you happy now? Yeah, see, it's just better. It is better. It needs to still go a little bit this way. It doesn't look like anything to me. It's just pretty. That's how I view this one. Kind of rusty with the tilting of the deconstructed blooms, too. So... yeah, so they're like equally stretched on both sides. I should have put the hands-off handles on this canvas because those little cups I'm using, they're not really cooperating. Let me stare some more. But I think I'm done. I am just going to take 10 more seconds and tilt it a little more this way just to minimize a little bit of the negative space. It's a little too much for me. And then I'll be done for reals. Super, super pretty colors. And I would not have put orange and pink together, for sure. So, thanks to Lori for that color combo. Now let me stare now. I feel like it's like some tropical aquarium and I have a blowfish with an eye. That's what I see. Yeah. I'm happy. The colors are super bright and pretty. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, here's a flyover of the wet results. I did get a couple speckles that I've been popping little micro bubbles. I'm just going to touch up the rest later. But check out all the colors. So cool. Love that section. I love that. I got the watercolor effect, sorry, going on big time. Got that big orange cell right there. And then the blue. And then I don't know why I see some sort of weird blowfish right there. But I do, so I'm rolling with it. I actually like that. Normally I don't like black in the middle, but this one is so colorful. It's just like a quiet spot for your eyeballs. And the cells around it, check those out. They're pretty great. And this whole middle section of just pure color. It's very, very vivid here in the studio. And yeah, fingers crossed for good drying. See you in a sec. Hey everybody, I'm back with the almost dry results of this one. It is, that ultramarine blue is very vibrant and dramatic. I think it plays really well with these brighter colors here in the middle. I still like my dark spot for a calm area in the middle too. And then all this stuff is just so pretty. Like whenever you get the gold to do the lacing like that, and I like this part up here, like way up at the top, where it looks like the cells are like underwater. Really, really pretty. It was super fun to do a deconstructed bloom too. Now I think I'm on a roll, and that's what the next video is going to be. Yep. Let me flip. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I feel like I should lie this flat because it still feels damp on the back. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. Please do check out Louise McKay Art and Art Lore by Lori Weisner. Check out their channels and their videos for the Do's and Don'ts Challenge. That's all I got for today. I'm not going to do commercials about the Fluid Art Boutique, but you should go see the website because I'm proud of it. The link's in the description center section. That's where all the good stuff is. I'll see you guys next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.